Alright, yo, alright. Back at it again from highway or town route 47. I don't know what it's called, state line or... We're 15 minutes away, guys. I put the phone on the dark mode. We're taking a lovely photo with the Morris, Illinois sign. And now it's ready to climb the last hill. So yeah, there's a Shell, there's a Pizza Hut, there's a Shell on the corner, there's a Pizza Hut, and there's a Route 6. Is on the Illinois River, as we can see right here. And we are good 8 to 10 stories high right now. Wow, guys, so right here, I think after the bridge is Illinois Street. And they told me to make a left and go through the neighborhood down a street called Liberty, but I don't think I'm gonna bother, guys. If there's a sidewalk here, I'm just gonna go down the sidewalk. Yeah, Illinois Avenue. Well, we're just gonna go straight down Division. Yeah, so there's like the picturesque little downtown in there. Actually, guys, you know what? I'm going to show you a little bit of this picturesque little downtown business district, because it's so picturesque. Because next thing, I'm gonna have my fans going, "Hey man, you said it was picturesque, you didn't go through it, man. What's the matter with you, man?" There we go. Let's do a little turn. And we will see a little of this small town, country town charm here. Yeah. Cool little shops, restaurants, sweet shops, wine bars, wine and spirits, steaks and stuff. Dressed up for Christmas. I mean, what more do you want? Have a field day, it says over there. Here you got cold beer. Wheat's Cafe. Grundy Bank. Yeah. So there's Washington Street. And you guys, maybe if we do make it, if we have time, maybe we'll come down to one of these places for brekkie. But we'll see. We will see. Oh yeah, there's a doggy driving there with a very nice lady. Very nice. Rosie's Furniture and Shop. Jensen's Pack and Sew. Let's see. Little sports bar and grill. Yeah. Nice little small town charm. Chantel's Country Financial. So we're at Jackson Street now. And I think this beauty of this little charm ends right here. Brentwood. Yeah, you still gotta go. This is north. Yeah, we're still 10 minutes away, guys.